Numerical solution of an optimization problem using biogeography based optimization algorithm. Here, let us consider this objective function, a sphere function with two variables, and the search space is -10 to 10. Let us consider the population size to be 5, means 5 are the islands. There are 5 islands. Here the decision variables are 2, so it is called dimension, or the SIVs, suitability index variables. They are also called the features. They are actually the independent variable, number of independent variable, or the suitability index variables, or the features of that island, which makes this particular island, any particular island, a good or not good island. By changing the values of these variables, an island will become better or worse. Now, since we have two major operators in this biogeography based optimization, the first one was the migration operator and another one was the mutation operator. So for the mutation operator, we will need the mutation probability. Let us denote the mutation probability by pu mutate, and let us consider its value as 0.01. It is a parameter set by the user. Usually its value is very small, so we have considered it 0.01. You may consider it 0.02 also, or even smaller than this, but usual recommendation is 0.01. Now let us consider the initial population of 5 islands. This is the value, the island 1. This is the first solution. So island 1's first variable, x1 value, x2 value, islands 2's first value. So this is the 2 1 variable, 2 variable, x22, x31, x32, x41, x42, x51, x52. And these are the corresponding function values. These are the corresponding function values of, means if you will put this value to this objective function, then you will get this value, means this square plus this square equal to this. Similarly, it is calculated for all other islands or for all other solutions. So now you have this function values. These are the function values or the fitness values. The very first step is to sort the population according to the fitness or according to the objective function value. As you can see here, it is already in sorted order. This is the problem is of minimization. You can see that the problem is of minimization. This problem is of minimization. So the minimum value is a better value. So this is the best solution. This is the next best solution, next best, and next best. Right. So this is already sorted, and therefore there is no need to sort this population at this step. If this population would not have been in this format, then we will definitely sort this according to the population. So island, suppose this would have been 11. Just imagine that this is 11.8236. Then this will be the first island, and this 31 will be the second island, and so on. I hope it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, these are the island features. You can see here numerically, island 1 first islands. This first coordinate is for the island number, and this first is for the dimension or the SIVs. There are two SIVs. So first island's first SIV is this, right? It is this one. And first island's second SIV is this. So which is this? Second island's first SIV, second island, second SIV, and so on. So these are actually X11, X12, X21, X22, X31, X32, like this. These are the solutions. Initial potential solutions, initial randomly generated solutions are these. I hope up to here it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us start the BBO process, the first iteration or the first generation. Let us start the BBO iterations. So here the very first step is to calculate the immigration rate and emigration rate, mu and lambda. If you remember the formula, mu and lambda formula. So we will use these formula, and if you see this, the population size plus 1 minus 1 to population size, means S upon S max. This is your total population size plus 1. So we'll use the same formula there and we'll calculate. For example, let me just explain for the first island. For the first island, mu. Let me calculate this mu. So what here you will write? What was the population size? Can you tell me? What was the population size? Population size was
5.
Yeah.
5.
Population size was 5. So put here 5 plus 1 minus it is for first, right? So first two population size means initially first of all I will take 1. So population size means 5 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 5 plus 1. So 5 total is 5 divided by 6. If you do the 5 divided by 6, then you will get this 0.8333. Is it okay? The calculation of mu is clear?
Yes, sir.
Let me just explain again. The population size is your 5. So population size 5 plus 1 minus 1. Initially it is 1. Next time I will take it 2, right? So mu 1 means here I will take 1 divided by 6, pop size plus 1. So 5 plus 1. So it is for the mu 1 equal to 5 upon 6. So 5 upon 6 is this, and lambda is nothing but 1 minus mu. Lambda is nothing but 1 minus mu. So it is your lambda 1 minus lambda 1 equal to 1 minus mu. So 1 minus 0.8333 is 0.1667. I hope this calculation of lambda and mu for the first island is clear.
Yes, sir.
And it is now for the second island. Second island, I hope you understand that these islands are sorted according to the fitness or according to the objective function value, and therefore the second island will have who's writing this? Mrinali, I have already maximized my screen. It is already maximized.
मुरनाली ऊपर में व्यू ऑप्शन होगा, व्यू ऑप्शन में जाके वहां पे साइज को इंक्रीज कर लो, वहां से हो जाएगा फुल स्क्रीन। सबसे ऊपर अपर में व्यू ऑप्शन है, व्यू ऑप्शन करके देखो, वहां पे हो जाएगा। और रेशियो इंक्रीज कर लो।
हो गया? प्रणाली हो गया? हाथ उठा के बताओ। So for the first island you have calculated lambda and mu. Now for the second island we will do the same practice. You understand that for island 2 is less fit as compared to the island 1, and therefore you understand, yesterday I explained you that for the island which are less fit have the more immigration rate and less emigration rate. So here you can see that the second island is less fit as compared to the first island, and therefore the second island, this is the second island, this is second island's second island's immigration rate is high and the emigration rate is less as compared to the first island. And similarly it will be calculated for the third island, fourth island, fifth island, and so on. For the fifth island you can see that this is the worst island out of all these 5, and therefore the immigration rate of the fifth island is highest and the emigration rate is least. It means the island which is the worst island should inspire other islands minimum and should get inspiration from other islands maximum. It means the probability of modification of island 4 and 5 is actually more as compared to the initial islands. I hope you got it. Yesterday I mentioned you about the cities like Singapore, New York, or other like Patna. You may consider Patna or Delhi. So there are chances that the Patna will get more inspiration from Delhi, New York, or Singapore as compared to the Singapore will get inspiration from Patna for the modification. Right? Done?
Yes, sir.
So this immigration and emigration rates are calculated in this way. Now, let us start the migration operator. Here the migration operator starts. From here the migration operator starts. So you can see here that the features are shared within the immigrating and emigrating islands. So if you remember, in the migration operator, very first step was to identify the immigrating habitat. Which habitat is to immigrate, right? And this immigrating habitat is identified based on the immigration rate lambda, right? Immigration rate lambda. So let us check for all the islands one by one. Now for the first island's first feature, so it is the feature 11. Is it okay? Island 11 for the feature island 11. Now first of all we will check whether this particular feature will modify or not, will be modified or not, right? So here you will check a random number between 0 and 1. This rand is a random number between 0 and 1. If it is less than lambda 1, you remember this lambda 1 you have calculated already here,
Yes, sir.
0.1667. If it is less than this, then it will modify, otherwise it will not modify. Means it will immigrate, otherwise it will not immigrate. Now you can see this is the first island. This is the best island. You remember this is the best island. So
Yes, sir.
according
Yes,
to our theory, there should be minimum chance. The chances are very less that this island will get modified or will have some immigration, and therefore this quantity is relatively small. So here you can see that this is the random number which is generated between 0 and 1, and it is not less than this, so it is false. And therefore the island feature, the first feature of the first island will not modify. Will not modify means it will not immigrate any feature. It will remain as it is. So the feature island 11 is not selected for the immigrating feature. I hope it's okay.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it okay? Done? ठीक चल रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
for the feature island 1, 2. For the first island second feature, we will again check with the same lambda 1, because it is the same lambda, same island, first island second feature. Remember, out of these two coordinates, the first is for the island number and the second is for the dimension or the SIV, right? So the feature, there are two features and there are 5 islands, remember. Now we will again generate a random number between 0 and 1, and we found that it is 0.9160, and it is not less than 0.1667. This is again false, and therefore the island 1, 2 is also not selected for the immigrating feature, right? Island 1, 2 is again not selected as an immigrating feature. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we'll repeat the same process for the second island's first feature, island 2, 1, right? We generate a random number between 0 and 1, and if it is less than this, it is true. Fortunately, this time it is true. It means the second island's first feature is ready for the, tell me, is ready for the immigration.
Immigration.
For the modification. It is ready for the modification, and therefore now we have identified the immigrating habitat. We have identified the immigrating habitat. Second island's first feature is ready to immigrate. So now, according to our theory, the algorithm yesterday I mentioned about the migration operator, there once you have identified the immigrating habitat, then you have to identify the emigrating habitat. You have to identify the emigrating habitat, right? So now this process is done here using the Rowlatt wheel selection. Now we are going to here, next process is to explain how the emigrating habitat or emigrating feature is identified. I hope you are clear to understand that here this one will not change. This first feature can be replaced by another island's first feature only. Another island's second feature cannot replace it. I hope you understand that the elasticity model can be replaced by another elasticity model. Elasticity model cannot be replaced by the water distribution model, right? So this feature, first feature will remain same. Now we have to see that this second island's first feature is replaced by which, or will be replaced or not. That is also a question, will be replaced or not. That we'll see that which island is going to replace this feature. Okay, so this is now this is the process, and it is called the Rowlett selection, Rowlett wheel selection. This I explained you in case of artificial bee colony algorithm also, when in case of the second phase,
Selection of
selection of in that
onlooker.
onlooker, selection of onlooker bees,
Onlooker.
onlooker bee phase. In the onlooker bee phase, we have also applied the same Rowlett wheel selection. So same here we are going to apply, and this is applied in this way. Now listen very carefully. This is the next only the thing. If we can understand this emigrating habitat concept, it means we have almost completed this example. So listen very carefully this part, right? Let us define this random num. Let us define a quantity random num, which is a random number between 0 and 1 multiplied by the sum of all mu's. Sum of all mu's means here here is the mu, all these mu's, add all these mu's, and the summation will be, can you tell me what will be the summation by default? Okay, if I will add all lambda and mu's of all, what will be the sum? Lambda and
5. It should be 5.
but everybody is
It
one.
should be 5.
This is one, so total 5.
Yes, sir.
And if I will add all mu's, what will be the sum? Tell me.
2.5.
2.5.
2 point something, 2.6.
No.
2.5.
It's 2.5.
2.5.
It will add
2.5.
yeah, it will always be 2.5. So here it is 2.5. So a random number between 0 and 1 multiplied by the sum of mu's. So it is 0.4624 is a random number between 0 and 1 multiplied by 2.5 sum of the mu's. Now this value comes to be 1.1561, which is random num. Let us store this value to the random num. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let us define another quantity which is called select. This random number we have calculated. Now let us define another quantity which is called select. And initially the value of the select is mu1. What was the mu1? I hope you understand that. Now we have to check, after identifying the immigrating habitat, we have to check whether from which habitat this feature will come. So we have to check with the first habitat, second habitat, third habitat, fourth habitat, fifth habitat. All habitats we are going to check. So we will start from the first. So initially we are defining the select as the mu1, and mu1 you already know that this is the value of the mu1. So also we will define another one quantity, select index. Initially its value is 1. Initially its value is 1. Select index 1 means the first we are starting it for the first we are starting it from the first island. So if random num is greater than select, now we have this condition. This condition will decide whether the island will modify or not. So random num is greater than select. First of all, random num is this value 1.15 is greater than select. Select is this. So yes, it is true. It is true. This is true. And simultaneously, this should also be satisfied. This should also be satisfied that select index, which is 1 right now, is less than the total number of islands, because we need to check this condition only up to the number of islands, right? We have to identify this feature is to be replaced from which island. So this loop will continue only up to the total number of islands, right? So we need to have this condition also. So here you can see that both the conditions are true. Here you can see that both the conditions are true, and therefore we will further increase the value of select index, and select index will become select index plus 1. So now it will be 2. Listen carefully. And the value of select will be modified as previous value of select plus mu of this select index. Mu of this select index means mu of 2. And what is the value of mu of 2? What is the value of mu of 2? Is this
0.6.
right? 0.667
6667.
mu 2. So mu 0.667 plus this 0.8333. So you will see that it is 1.5. I hope it's clear, right? So now the new value of select is, and again we will check the same condition, and you will see here that it is now 1.1561 random num is not greater than this select. This condition is false. This first part is false, and therefore the entire condition is false because it's an AND, right? So now since it is false, okay, so now since it is false, we will consider this island 2 1 equal to island. You remember this island 2 1 was selected for the modification.
Yes, sir.
This island 2 1 was selected. Okay. This island 2 1 was selected for the immigration feature. So now you have identified that which feature of which island will come, which island's feature will come here for this. So here whenever you find this condition is false, you will say that this feature will come here. So what was the select index? You remember this was 2. So
Yes, sir.
this island features will replace the island 2 1. But you can see that this is also 2 1. This is also 2 1. It says that the island 2 1 will not be modified. However, it was ready for the immigration, but it is found that the emigrating habitat is also the same, and therefore it will remain same. You can see here that the island 2 1 is again island 2 1. So there is no change. It means the feature island 2 1 is not modified. It is not modified. I hope it's clear. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll do it for the 2 2. 2 1 was failed. 2 1 was done. Now we'll do it for 2 2. Now we'll do it for island 2 2. For island 2 2, again we will check the immigration probability for lambda 2, and we will see that it is false. It means island 2 2 will not change. The feature 2 2 will not change. Now we'll come for the 3 1. One by one we'll repeat this process for all. So now we'll do it for the island 3 1. We'll do it for the island 3 1, right? The feature island 3 1 is selected for an immigration feature. Okay, sorry. Here you will generate a random number between 0 and 1, and if it is less than this lambda 3, you remember the lambda 3? This was 0.5, and since it is true, it means the island 3 1 is selected for the immigration. So it is selected for the immigration. Now we'll repeat the same process, roulette wheel selection process, as we did earlier for the 2 1. We'll do the same for the 3 1, and let us see if we found any emigrating habitat different from 3, right? Let us see. So here again the same process. First of all, we will define this random num, which is the rand multiplied by random number between 0 and 1 multiplied by the sum of mu's, which is again 2.5. This time this random number is 0.7702, and the value is this. Random number value is this. And initially again we'll start from the first island. So mu 1 the value of select is mu1, which is 0.8333, and this
With respect to features.
this Mrinali asked the question that we have to check this for all the features of all the islands. Yes, all the islands, all the features of all the islands is to be checked one by one, right? So we have finished with the 2 islands. Now we have reached at the 3rd island, first feature, and we found that this is true, that it is ready for the immigration. Now we are finding the emigrating habitat for this particular island, and we will again start from the first island, whether the first island is the emigrating habitat. If not, then we'll check for the second island. If not, then we'll check for the third island, and so on until this condition is false. This condition is false, that particular island will be the emigrating island, right? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
What about others?
Immigration.
I can't see your video, so okay, I hope everybody
Okay.
is okay with this. Okay. Okay. So now we'll do the calculation of random number again. This is a random number between 0 and 1, 0.7002, 2.5, 1.9254, and then we'll calculate again the select, which is your mu1, right? Select index will start from the first. Now we'll check this condition that, and we'll find that it is true, right? Then we'll calculate the select index. We'll increase the counter select index, which is now 2, and we'll calculate the new value of select, which is select plus mu of select index, mu of 2, right? So now it will become 1.5 like earlier, the same, right? And we will check again this condition, and we'll see that it is again true, and therefore the select index will be select index plus 1, so it will become 3. And again we'll calculate the new select, which is the select plus mu of 3. Then we'll take the mu of 3 plus the old select, then you will get its value as 2. And we again check the same condition, and here you will see that it is now false. It means here it means at this particular step it is failed. So we will select this select index, whatever the select index last. So this select index was 3, so this 3 1 island, and you will be amazed that your original island was also 3 1, original feature was also 3 1, and your method says that this is replaced by the same, so there is no change in this island, right? So island will remain same. I hope I'm clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, clear.
Yes, sir.
So there is no change in the island 3 1 also. So it is not modified. I have also written this, that it is not modified. Now we will come for the feature 3 2. One by one we need to do it for all. For the feature island 3 2, and we'll check if the random number is between 0 and 1. If it is less than lambda 3. So if it is less than 3, so it is true. It means the third island's second feature is again ready for the immigration, is ready to change, right? Is ready to change, is selected for the immigrating feature. Now we will select that this second feature of the third island, which island is the emigrating habitat, right? And this again will be done with the help of this roulette wheel selection as mentioned earlier. So let us generate a random number, this random num. We'll do the same process. This time this random number is this, right? Select mu is initially, this is mu1, select index is 1 initially, the same condition, it is true. Then we'll calculate again the select index equal to select index plus 1. Now it is 2. It has become 2. Then again calculate the new select plus mu of select index, mu of 2. It is now 1.5. Check, and again check the same condition. Again it is true. So keep on increasing. It is 3, and now it is 2. And here you will see that it is false. It is false, means again unfortunate. again the same island is going to replace by the same island, same feature. So there is no change. So there is no change. I hope I'm clear.
Yes, sir.
Right. So there is no change. Since there is no change in this third island, second feature also means 3.2, island 3.2 is also not modified. Let us move to the island 4.1. Can you can you suggest me why the island 1, island 2, island 3, all those three top islands are not modified? So it is obvious also. Our theory also says that there are very less chances that the best islands are modified with the help of other low fit
Okay.
or low HSI islands. With the help of low HSI islands, the high HSI islands are usually not modified, and it is clear here also. So island 1, 2 and 3 are not modified at all, and it is very obvious also. But now since island 4 and 5 are relatively poor as compared to the island 1, 2, 3, and therefore there are very high chances that the island 4 or 5 are to be modified. So let us see what happens. For the feature, let us start with the island 4.1. First of all, we'll generate a random number between 0 and 1 and check this condition, whether this is an immigrating habitat or not. And we see that this lambda 4 is relatively a large quantity this time. It is 0.667. So there are 66.67% chance that this island is an immigrating habitat or immigrating island or island for the modification. And yes, it is true. It means the island 4.1 is selected for the immigration or it is ready for the change. Now we need to decide which island is going to replace or which feature is going to replace this feature 4.1, right? Which island's first feature is going to replace this island's first feature. So let us do the same process again, the roulette wheel selection. In this roulette wheel selection, first of all, we will generate a random num, which is a random number between 0 and 1 and the sum of mu 2.5, and you will see this time it is this. Mu1 is this, as usual, select index 1 as usual, same condition, you see that it is false. What does it mean? What does it mean? That the fourth island's first feature is going to replace by the first islands. This is your first island, right? The first time it is false. So first island's first feature. And it is very obvious also. It is very obvious also because your first island is the best island. Your first island is the best island. So it should inspire maximum. It should inspire maximum. And here you can see that the island's first feature is now become the four islands the first feature also. So fourth island's first feature is now the first island's first feature also. Is it okay? Done. So the
Yes, sir.
fourth island's first feature is now modified. It is modified. Now let us see about the fourth
Second
island.
feature.
Fourth island, second feature. Vedant, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So here you can see that again the lambda 4. Again this immigration probability of fourth island is this, which is again checked with this, and we found that it is true. It means fourth island second feature is also ready for the change. Right? And for that purpose, we will again find out one emigrating habitat or emigrating island. So again, we'll use the same process, roulette wheel selection. That here the sum of mu is this, random num, we will calculate random num, and we find this, select index 1, take this condition, and this time we found it is true. So we will continue and we'll check select equal to select index plus 1, 2, we'll calculate the new select in the same process, and we'll check the again condition, and again it is true. It means we'll further move 3, and this time it is false. Means for the select index equal to 3 it is false. For the select index 3 it is equal to false, and therefore fourth island's second feature second feature will be replaced by the third island's second feature, right? So
Yes, sir.
fourth island second feature is now the third island second feature. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So here is the result. Now we will do the same process for the fifth island's first feature. Let us check this. We'll generate a random number between 0 and 1, and it is this immigration probability of the fifth island, and you can see that the immigration probability of fifth island is the highest, and therefore there are very high chance that it is always an immigrating habitat, and therefore it is true. You can see here it is also true. And now we will find out the emigrating habitat for this fifth island's first feature. So again the same process, sum of mu is this, rand multiplied by sum of mu, this value, select mu1, select index 1, same condition, and you can see that it is false with the first habitat. It is obvious also that since the first habitat or first island is the best island, so you can see that the first island has made its copies to two islands, the fourth island and the fifth island, right? To both it has made copies. So it is the highest inspiring island. The first island is the highest inspiring island. So it will change the first island's first component will be now the fifth island's first component. I hope I'm okay. Right. Now the last is the fifth island second component is to be modified. So here this random number between 0 and 1 is less than the immigration probability of the fifth, which is this. It is again true. Let us find out the immigrating habitat using the same process. And here you will again generate the same random number between 0 and 1. Will calculate random num, select index, and here it is true. So we'll continue select index plus 1. So it is 2. Then calculate the new value of select 1.5. Again check the same condition 2. So yes, we will continue 3, and here this time it is false. It means with the select index 3 it is false. It means the third island second feature will be the fifth island second feature, right? Now we have completed the migration operator. All the islands, all the features are checked for the immigration and emigration, and after this migration, this is your new population. This is your new population. You can see here. I hope it is visible. And here you can see that the first three islands are not modified, so I have kept the same color. But here the island 4 and 5th both are modified. Both islands, both features are now the new features. And you can see here, earlier this quantity was very large, and this time it is very small. It means these islands have inspired these islands to become better. So these islands have become even better than this third island, which was earlier better than these two islands. You can see the effect of migration here. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So now the next operator is the mutation operator. So let us apply the mutation operator now. Now let us apply the mutation operator. In this mutation operator, we have to modify any particular feature of any particular island based on the probability of mutation, which we have considered as 0.01. It is a parameter. To remember this, we have considered earlier also, right? And check with whether this probability of mutation is greater than this random number between 0 and 1 or not. Or you can check in other way also, that random number is less than the probability of mutation also. If it is true, we will modify it, otherwise will not, right? So here you can see that it is false. It is false, and therefore the first island's first feature will not be mutated. It will not be mutated. It means it will not take part in the mutation process. Now we will come for the first island second feature. I hope you are with me.
Yes, sir.
So again, we will check the same condition 0.01 and random number between 0 and 1. And you can see here it is again false. So it means the first island second feature will also not be mutated. Now the second first feature, and again it is false, will not be mutated. second island, second feature, false, no. And it is very obvious also. Look, it is very, very usual because your probability of mutation is very small, is very small. This,
0.6.
this side it is a random number between 0 and 1, and this side it is a very small number, 0.01. So the chances of the mutation is very small, right? And it is obvious for all the nature inspired algorithm that the mutation probability is usually kept very small. Now, for the third island's first feature, again false, means it will not be mutated. Third island, second feature, false, not mutated. Fourth island's first feature, false, not mutated. Now, for the fourth islands, now this is the fourth island's second feature, oh, it is not true. Now it is true, right? So it means fourth island second feature will be replaced by a random number between the range minus 10 to 10.
Yes,
You
sir.
remember this minus 10 to 10? It was
Yes,
the
sir.
search space. It was the search space we decided
Search
earlier,
space.
right? So we, in this search space, we will generate a random number, and that will be your feature 4.2. That will be your feature 4.2. So now the 4.2, this value is 0.9319. So 4.2 is now the new value is 0.9319, right? Whatever the earlier value, we will discard that and we'll consider this value 0.9319. I hope I'm clear up to here.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll do the same process for the fifth island's first feature, and let us check whether it is true or it is false. So it will not take part in the mutation. Look, this mutation does not depend upon the fitness of the solution. Whether it is a low HSI island or high HSI island, it will not depend upon the fitness. It is true for all, means it the chances of the first island for taking part in the mutation process is equal to the chances of the fifth island for taking part in the process of mutation, right? So they are same. Now for the fifth island's second feature, we'll check it, and again we found that it is false, so it is not modified. So here you can see the population after the mutation. You can see that only one feature is modified. This feature, this blue, I colored it, so you can see that all remain same except this. And this time you can see that just after mutation, this fitness objective function value is now 10.64. Now you can see that this island 4, which was the second worst island, now it has become the best island. Now it has become the best island. You can see the value, function value is 10, which is the minimum among all, right? So the mutation is playing, sometimes can play a very important role, right? Should I move?
Yes.
So this is the mutation process. Island, after this mutation, migration and mutation we have done. Here you can do the elitism also. Elitism means the first, this first initially. Now this will be the first. Now this will be the first. So after this new population, you will sort the population according to their objective function value. So you can see here that this, which was the fourth island, now it has become the first island. So this is the best island. So now you can elitism, the third operator is the elitism, that in the next step, this island may be avoided for the mutation or for the migration. Means for the migration, you may skip this. You can directly start with the island 2, 3, and 4, 5. So this is called the elitism, right? But for modification of island 2, you will start the index from the one itself, right? Means first will inspire others, but will not modify from the inspiration from others, right? So that is called the elitism. I told you that elitism is an optional operator. So here I have not shown it, but I already explained This way you can apply the elitism operator. I hope this is your new population after sorting, and we will again apply the same process. What is the same process? We'll do the migration operator, we'll do the migration, and then mutation, and keep on doing the same process. This completes this example.